the moment I step out of this door. Don't you dare call my number ever again. Don't you dare look for me.
Yeah. Hello. What? I'm fine. I'm fine. What's special today? Oh, the anniversary. Of course, I can't forget. Yeah, I can't forget. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'm free. If it's there, what's up? Meet for a coffee? Yeah, we can meet. Any place you want? At my place. Okay, it's okay. I'm not there. Maybe I shall find you there. Yeah. Yeah, I love you too. Okay.
I don't know if I can find my way. Woke up late, the sun still shines. Awful cold in some pieces.
Yo, hey, this. What's up, B? Oh, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Nothing. What's up? Yo. Hey, what's up? You didn't tell me about this. Surprise. I can't use it already, man.
Surprise.
Thank you. Prepare this. Hey, thank you. Who prepared this? It must be. It's mine. Yeah. Thank you for the surprise. Yeah, for real, I'll be cakes. Oh, thank you.
You're lucky man, nigga.
Ah,
Yeah. So lucky, brother.
yeah, man. Anyways,
Huh?
it's cool.
And this is dope. I see you're looking at Kennedy for brother. You.
Trixie, thank you. This is nice.
Okay. We are here for you. Yeah, enjoy. And she's the one who did all whatever you see here. She really appreciate to be here with you, and we are honored.
Yeah.
So I think she has some beautiful message.
Yeah, to you, brother, right? Yeah, and for real.
Come on. Yeah. What's talking about? Hey, baby. Oh my God.
Not every beautiful feeling has to be written by the one who feels it. I couldn't find words that captured how I feel, so I borrowed some from a gifted poet and a good friend of mine, Mutagwana John. So I would like to dedicate this beautiful poem to you. Yesterday, I had a dream. We were in the Garden of Eden, but I was the one giving you the fruit, and snakes were not allowed. I got up. I decided to read about the Garden of Eden. I read that Adam and Eve were naked, but unashamed. And that explains why, when I'm around you, I can undress my thoughts and still feel safe. I don't know if this is. I don't know if this is mathematics or scripture, but my height plus your height equals to divine geometry.
Oh, snap that, ma.
Can I call you Genesis and Exodus? Because when I saw you, everything of mine began to move. And I call him Moses.
My belly's starving.
He patted Clarity, but you can pat my legs. Your divine authority.
Did you hear that, JB? My Mosey.
Thank you, my father, in me. Thank you, brother, surprise.
So,
Thank you very much.
back to you. I think I'm out. My? Who was first?
Guys, was beautiful. That was beautiful speech for such a angel. I think you should be one of the poetry.
I'm marrying this one. I'm marrying this one.
God, you should do that, bro. You should do that, bro. I see the energy.
But you guys, you guys are known for real. Mostly Candy and you guys.
Come on, you owe me one more. No.
Okay. What next?
I think we should.
I think. Do you want to say something?
Maybe a small performance?
She has some performance.
No.
No.
Guys, I'm starving.
Let's a hug. Yes. First a hug. A good one. Yes.
I can't do that. I can't refuse.
Oh, I beg you. I beg.
Where?
Anyway. Oh shit. Listen, please.
Oh my God.
Listen, your ears.
So, who's lighting it up?
Sisi.
Candy. Who? Candy. And then inside.
You know how to use those. Last time na yo, magole din nema.
I'll see.
He's a big guy. I'm just kidding.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Trixie. Happy birthday to you. Ako ka rin.
Don't ask my age.
How old are
you now?
Yeah.
So, bro,
Let me get something here, cause the one I met this to the top, huh? Then yeah.
yeah.
I'll be commenting. I think we should go.
Without from Drake's age.
Okay. Interesting. If we are counting, if you guys are counting from my age, be like,
Free, right?
that's the age. Then 2, 1.
30. And you. Bro, do that. You count.
I count.
On your count. Yeah. Let's do this.
You guys ready?
Let's do this.
All right. For me, it's age. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. This is what it called birthday.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that Trixie. Yeah. This is really beautiful. Look at the love. Such an amazing use of this here.
This is not an everyday person. Which is not an everyday person.
We should do something to this lady. We should do something.
Definitely.
We should do something.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Married.
You save it.
Married.
Yeah, we do something. How do you see that budget?
Easy. It's not about me to marry.
Married.
But I think this is the time. Hey.
Birthday girl and birthday boy.
At all.
Money to love this.
Our dear, my dear. Let me head on.
Yeah. This is beautiful, you know. Happy wife, happy life. Oh shit.
That's the say. Happy wife.
Hapunda.
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
a big birthday surprises every year.
Mm-hmm. You're nice. Look at that.
Ooh, clockies. Beautiful, beautiful.
You say? I don't know what she's saying. What she's saying, you know, it's not going to go one. It's ready to make some performance, bro.
We are vegetarians. We are talking.
I think so.
This is really fast. You trick. Like, thank you for clocking to your idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it wasn't easy for you becoming all that 70 years now. Straight Timothy Rush. Would you buy some cake for you? You want some?
I want some from her. More from her.
Sorry.
Drink. I don't think Lester's butter was this good.
It was. I've never heard of it black daddy.
My name is Very Obunya. Can go for you. Great. This thing is so sweet.
I've never heard the part that is as exciting.
Gross.
All bakes over.
I love the way you eat the cake. Cheesecake. Yeah. I love the way you eat the cake. I love the way you eat the cake.
You understand?
This is a good fruit.
But she got cake.
She got the cake. Yeah. I think which teachers ever was like him. Our sister, she are coming.
Thank you.
We are honored.
Thank you for having drinks.
You know, minas.
But now,
They got.
can I help
She
you?
drink a change, you know.
Just pick it up.
Next. I should prepare some for this chick. Yeah.
This is pills.
You beautiful. You have to make talk up to me.
But don't nyingiranga po. Are you trying to say you've never been through my business before?
I've never. Okay, business is different from like my sister. It's my sister. When are you? What's everything?
By the way, what about Basira? I'm not saying that. And Trixie.
Trixie. Okay, Trixie. I'm about to check that one.
Hey, Drake.
I'm about to check that
America now.
very soon.
Kaka na naye Drake. Just like that. My mom.
It was a day.
Told you.
Yeah, but that's to you. Girl, of course you are so nice. Good. I'm good. Go you.
That's the wish I got a gift for you.
Who said it's for this one? Off here.
You know, I just she's some of this.
That's very nice. Shall
See you
Thank
guys.
you for coming.
Are we calling you, man? So you guys, what next?
Oh man, this was really beautiful. No, it's really nice. I'll be good. Drink tomorrow.
Right, that's cool.
Okay, because
Cheers.
Bye.
Sweetheart, bye.
God, today has been a long day. If I can't be come, just give a head to a head. That's so beautiful. She clock it. Clock it. God, I'm gonna stay with you. First thing, then if you start any Kevin, I'll send you. Okay. Yeah. So really good. Oh. Think she get your funny. I dropped the.
When I could keep the 34.
You say much?
Friends. How precious you. She's my friend. She's your friend. Yeah.
How deep is the friendship?
Very deep.
Very deep.
Correct. Okay.
How long have you been friends?
Since school.
Since school.
Mm.
So patience. Where did you live?
I'm still around. Why are you asking though?
It's interesting.
I'm still around.
Still around?
Yeah.
Like how around?
Like around. We don't need to know around.
I don't need to.
Yeah.
Are my friends beautiful?
Yeah, you're sounding creepy, really. I don't know. Why would you want to know where I stay?
I'm just concerned.
You're still around.
Is there a...
Yes.
Can you tell me your needs?
It will, for what reason?
Many reasons.
I'm sorry.
Give me place, though.
Thank you. Yeah, if you want my number, you can get it from her.
I don't think that's necessary.
Then I don't think I can give you my number.
What?
Then I don't think I can give you my number.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Am I interrupting?
Go.
No, sweetheart. Nothing. He's just asking you about how you organized this thing, the birthday and everything.
Oh,
Come.
okay.
Drop is everything up.
Yeah.
Yes. I didn't drop you anything. I was just actually telling you how we organized this, how this came up together. Yeah, that's it.
Anyways. And you're tired.
Yeah, tired, actually tired. But
Yeah. You sure?
is your friend staying around?
Not really. She's leaving very soon.
Okay. I'll be waiting for you
Okay.
to our bedroom.
No, we're laying some of the pictures.
Sure. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome, love. This was beautiful. Oh my god. Very beautiful. You should airdrop them. Yeah, you've received them?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
I think this is my cue. This was lovely. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay. Baby. Honey. Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so that you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find the words but they don't come out right? Have you ever? Have you ever? Have you ever needed something so but you can't sleep at night? To make them feel the same. Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so but you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find? Have you ever? Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. You cry. Have you ever? The words what they don't come out right. Drunk. Drake. Drake. Honey. Wake up. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. I'm fine, how are you? Fine it was. It's nice. What's...
Guess what?
What?
I have something for you.
What?
Breakfast in bed?
Oh, that's a nice of you. Breakfast now.
Okay. Sit up and have some lunch.
Oh, that's very nice of you. And this is very nice. Thank you.
Welcome. I'm so tired and sleepy because we had a long, beautiful night together.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, let me freshen up. I'll be right back.
Trixie. Let's come back here.
Poland.
Sit here.
Is there something wrong?
Sit. Yeah.
Okay.
See, Trixie. I appreciate everything. Thank you. But it's done.
What's done?
The situation between me and you.
The what? The situation?
It's over.
Drake, you should be joking. And remember, I told you those kind of jokes are not funny, okay? You should stop it.
And who said I'm joking? It's over. What you should do? Pack your things and get out. Thank you for the breakfast, though.
So you're serious?
I am serious.
Why? Drake, what did I do wrong?
What did I do wrong? Where did I mess up?
Just don't shout at me. Just pack your things and move out.
Drake, it has been 2 years.
It has been 2 damn good years, Drake. You can't just wake up one fucking morning and say we're done.
Don't shout. You're shouting at me.
You can't be able to.
Trixie. Better pack your things and move out.
Drake, no, please don't do this to me. We can talk about this, Drake. We can fix this. I swear to God, I'm going to change. Drake, please, Drake, please. We can, we've been fixing things, Drake. Please don't do this to me.
Nothing to fix. Nothing to fix.
Drake, don't do this to me.
Get your stuff and march out.
Drake, please, talk to me. What did I do wrong? We can't fix this, Drake.
Hey.
Please, Drake.
I need you out in a few. Pack your things and move out.
Drake, please, Drake. Drake, honey, Drake, come on. We can talk about this.
Trixie, you are making noise. Move out. Get your things and move out.
Please, Drake, don't do this to me, Drake. Don't do this.
Don't be afraid to go out on a wild
Oh,
ride.
Drake, don't do this to me.
This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless.
You shouting at me? Get out. Trixie, that's too much noise. Just move out.
Drake, you know how much I love you, Drake. You know how I trusted you, Drake. Drake, you can't do this to me, please. Please, Drake, please, come on. Drake, talk to me.
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy and getting heavier still. If you need
Okay.
or want me,
If this is how you want to play this game, I'll have it your way. But Drake,
you know the place
the moment I step out of this door, don't you dare call my number ever again. Don't you dare look for me. The only advice I would give you right now, if I were you, Drake, I wouldn't risk losing you.
Losing what that I can't
And you
get?
should think of what you're going to miss.
Missing what? Losing what that I can't get anywhere else?
Drake, I'm leaving. Drake, aren't you going to stop me? Drake!
Get out. Why don't you understand? What don't you understand? Just get out. Get out. I think I should just help you. Get out. It's just
No, I'm not
Get your face
leaving. Drake, talk to me. We can fix this, Drake. We can fix this.
when I need
No.
you're never too hard to find. I know the
Move on.
places that
Get out.
you hide, and we'll go there side by side. You and I.
Please, open the door.
Into the night.
Yo, bro. Man, I'm from checking Trixie. Man, I chased her away, but man, she was so nagging. I'm telling her to get out. She's like, yeah, drag. I'm like, what the hell? Man, I was so fed up. Yeah, she's gone, but man, she was very nagging. I'm like, get out. She's like, drag. I'm like, yo, what the hell is this? Get out, just march out my house. Thank God, man, thank God. Okay, man, we shall link up. Cool.
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy